now we live under a fiat currency system where governments can create as much currency as they want with no restraints on anything physical like gold. However, the banking system is built on hundreds of years of legacy systems and systems that are in place that were built on real restraints. As if the currency is actually backed up by something. As if banks actually need reserves. As if banks won't get a bailout from the money printer next time they need it. Your money is held digitally on a bank's balance sheet as if there's something actually there. As if it is more than just ones and zeros on a computer. As if they take your actual money and when somebody needs a loan, they lend it out. Newsflash, they don't. Banks lend money into existence. Every loan they make is money that did not exist before. This system is bad. This system is fragile. This system accelerates the concentration of wealth. It transfers wealth from the savers to the borrowers. And as bad as a system as this is, a central bank digital currency is exponentially worse. Not only is it worse, it is categorically different. And it is where we as people need to draw the line in the sand. Now, all lines are arbitrary in some sense, but if this one is crossed, most likely the only way out or back out of it is with complete systemic collapse. Remember how I said in the past, you gave your gold to the bank and the bank had its own gold account with the central bank? It's the same today, although not with gold. You have an account with your bank and the bank still has an account with the central bank. A central bank digital currency, on the other hand, bypasses, nationalizes, restructures, and renders obsolete the current traditional banking system. Every individual and every business will have a wallet or an account directly with the central bank. Instead of opening up your Chase app or your Bank of America app, you'll open up your Fed Wallet app. Now, why is this so radically different and so intensely dangerous? Because the central bank maintains a legal monopoly on the creation and the destruction of a nation's currency. Now, that power is already the most dangerous power on earth today. Pair that with the ability to directly control every transaction and account of every individual and business, concentrated and isolated among a couple dozen unelected ivory tower bureaucrats. I cannot express enough how terrified everybody in the world should be of this. The entire purpose of a central bank digital currency is to give more control over how much money exists and exactly where that money exists. This money is programmable to allow a level of fine-tuning and scalpel-like economic policy making at a degree never before seen. A central bank digital currency is where I draw the line, because anybody who crosses it may not be able to cross it back. Start getting your wealth out of the system right now while you can, because as we speak, today, there are people who said that could never happen here. And they woke up and they realized it did.